I believe that when Cody's voice is heard, we would know that she is full of life and vitality. We would know that she absolutely loves music and she loves to sing, particularly karaoke. I would believe that when we're listening to Cody's voice and being very keenly aware of who she is as a person, she would tell you she wants a boyfriend. She would tell you she wants to spend time with her friends. She wants to do goofy, crazy, fun things, adventurous things with her friends. I believe that when her voice is truly being heard, that she would be so expressive in her prayer life, that she would know that God moves mountains and he would move them in her favor and in favor of other people that she knows and she loves. I believe when her voice is really being heard that people are going to really come to admire and respect her so much because she is so strong. She's so empathetic. She's so forgiving. She's so understanding. She's so full of adventure and life and generosity that people would really get to know that about her if they allowed her voice to be heard.